James Spencer Cleverly is a British politician and Territorial Army officer serving as Secretary of State for Education since 2022. A member of the Conservative Party, he has been the Member of Parliament for Braintree in Essex since 2015. Cleverly also served as co-chairman of the Conservative Party alongside Ben Elliot from 2019 to 2020 and the member of the London Assembly for Bexley and Bromley from 2008 to 2016. Cleverly advocated a Brexit vote in the 2016 EU membership referendum. In the second May ministry, he served as deputy chairman of the Conservative Party from 2018 to 2019 and parliamentary under-secretary of state for exiting the European Union from April to July 2019, following the resignation of Chris Heaton-Harris. After Boris Johnson was appointed Prime Minister in July 2019, Cleverly was promoted to the cabinet as Minister without portfolio. He served as co-chairman of the Conservative Party alongside Ben Elliot from 2019 to 2020. Cleverly was demoted from the cabinet in the February 2020 reshuffle. He was subsequently appointed Minister of State for Middle East and North Africa. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.